Imagine a future where humanity thrives on another planet, not just survives. That's the vision Dr. Robert Zubrin, founder of the Mars Society, has been passionately championing for decades. Zubrin, a renowned aerospace engineer, believes Mars holds the key to humanity's future, offering abundant resources and a fresh start. But here's where it gets controversial. While many see Mars colonization as a distant dream, Zubrin argues it's not only possible but imminent. Could we really be setting foot on the red planet within the next decade? Zubrin's advocacy isn't just talk. He's authored numerous books, including The Case for Mars and The New World on Mars, and founded the Mars Society in 1998 to keep the public, and governments, engaged. His efforts have been credited with helping sustain funding for Mars missions, proving that his influence extends beyond theory. But this is the part most people miss. Zubrin isn't just focused on getting us to Mars, he's envisioning what life there will look like. Will Martian settlers become a society of innovators, solving problems Earth can't even imagine? In a recent conversation with Supercar Blondie, Zubrin shared his bold predictions. He believes the first human mission to Mars could happen in just 10 years, with a permanent base following a decade later. And this is where it gets even more intriguing. Zubrin thinks used launch vehicles, like SpaceX's Starship, could make Mars travel affordable, not just for governments, but for individuals. Could moving to Mars one day cost as little as $20,000 per person? And if so, who gets to go? Mars, with its frozen water, carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen, offers the raw materials for a new civilization. But life there won't be easy. Zubrin envisions a society that thrives on ingenuity, where settlers tackle challenges like growing food in greenhouses, harnessing fusion power, and advancing artificial intelligence to combat labor shortages. Is this the ultimate frontier for human creativity, or a recipe for isolation and struggle? Robots, too, will play a crucial role. While current Mars rovers are more like automated tools, Zubrin predicts that advanced robotics will become essential for handling dangerous tasks. But here's the catch: building complex robots on Mars will require a global supply chain, with some parts still coming from Earth. Will Mars become a testing ground for technologies that transform life on both planets? Zubrin's optimism is infectious, but it's not without critics. In an era where new technologies often face skepticism, his techno-optimism stands out. He points to history as proof. Technological advancements, like making chicken affordable, have transformed human life for the better. But as we dream of Mars, are we overlooking the challenges closer to home? And who gets to decide the future of space exploration? Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, Zubrin's vision challenges us to think bigger. To learn more about his work, visit the Mars Society's website or follow him on X. What do you think? Is Mars colonization a bold leap forward, or a risky distraction? Share your thoughts in the comments.